of some flooding in the Savoy area with some cars driving through this. I thought we'd show this real quick and kind of give us just a bit of a break. Here's a car. Look at this. Driving through the standing water. Do not advise this. Look at that. It's over the hood, and that car is almost going to start off there. If you're going to be driving tonight, please do not do that. That is not what you want to do.
叫大家不要这样。
That is just not safe. That's not a smart move at all.
And thank you very much, Andy, from Savoy. We also have video from Clinton, Lee, of flooding that we've also encountered. As you can see, 5.4x there. We're still kind of watching. This is a shot from Clinton of the heavy rainfall tonight. And look at it just pouring down rain in Clinton. They've had some reports of hail in that area, and you can see people slow go of things tonight around central Illinois. And there's a live look there. Still in the Clinton area.
好像往那个另外那边走，往那边走了。